Trump bought Mara stock. You know what everyone's thinking. Every time Trump buys a stock, the stock moons, okay? So the President of the United States has just bought Marathon Holdings. I've been talking about this stock for years. I think I did my first episode on I bought £100,000 of Mara, maybe last year. The portfolio has grown now, so I've got, in my public portfolio, I've got multiple hundreds. Let me close the door. But listen, at the same time, Morgan Stanley has a $7 price target on this stock. So listen, who's right? We're gonna break it down in this video, what we think Marathon Holdings is about to do. Boys, there's a lot more going on with Mara than the headlines are telling you. So let's start with what actually happened. May 2026, Trump's family trust filed a disclosure with the Office of Government Ethics. And buried in that finding was 2 purchases of Marathon Holdings. Now, this isn't Trump going all in on a stock that he said in public and he says on his little app or on whatever he uses, the Trump Twitter, or I don't know, I don't really follow Trump like that. His trust made roughly, roughly 50 trades across 8 different cryptos linked companies in Q1. So that was Coinbase, MSTR, Robinhood, Block. And Mara was just one of them. But why does this still matter? When the President of the United States is personally invested in a Bitcoin sector and Bitcoin mining stocks, and at the same time his administration is pushing pro legislation, crypto legislation, this tells you something about the direction of the policy. And this crypto infrastructure is real, okay? So the watch you've got on right now, don't worry boys, we're gonna get about 10 of them with a Lamborghini, with a penthouse in Miami, if this all plays out. But why this is important is Trump buying a small position in this company is not an investment thesis. It's a signal, and a signal needs to be tested against the actual fundamentals, all right? So let's actually look at what's going on inside Mara right now. Now let's look at it. Mara has just reported Q1 2026 earnings, and they were rough, okay? 1.3 billion net loss. The revenue came in at 174.6 million and below estimates, and that loss was driven by 2 things. Bitcoin obviously fell 23% in Q1, dropping from 87,000 to around 68,000, and a further drop, so now it's currently at 64,000. But Marathon Holdings is still holding the support area. It's at $14 now with Bitcoin at 64,000, so low-key, that's good. I've been banging on about the stock since it was like $7-8, so the people in my inside group that took advantage there, they would have doubled their dough already, so lock in. Congrats to everyone in the inside group. Mara sold 20,000 or 20,880 Bitcoin, 1.5 billion's worth in a single quarter. Now, you guys are asking, why would a Bitcoin mining company sell that much Bitcoin? And that's actually the pivot, the AI pivot that people are not talking about. Well, they are, but only in like the Marathon Holdings like actual circle. People on the outside, Wall Street, are overlooking this, which means that they are just pricing Mara on a Bitcoin mining company, on how much Bitcoin they own, and they're overlooking the AI play that they've gotten. Like I said, Mara is no longer a Bitcoin miner. They've acquired Long Ridge Energy and Power, a 505 megawatt gas-fired power plant for 1.52 billion. Big dough. Bro's got big fucking money. And they're using this infrastructure to pivot into AI and high performance computing. Think about that. They're buying a power plant to run AI, and that's completely different company to what I have invested in, and the market doesn't quite know what to make of it yet. They're acquiring all these power plants, right? So they haven't got a deal right now. Think about it like I own a big pub chain, right? I am currently buying loads and loads of power, so I'm buying loads and loads of pubs, right? We just haven't got the contract to get the people in yet. So we basically got loads of pubs, right? But we have no customers to come in yet. But once we get the marketing right, once we get people coming in, once we have Cristiano Ronaldo as our brand ambassador, everybody is going to want to come into our pub and buy drinks, okay? Because we've got the capacity to handle that. Other companies don't. Now that was a W's in the chat. That was a W's analysis. The bears are saying Morgan Stanley $7, they don't like it, and the stock is sitting at around $14. Whoo-wee, $7, god damn, that was cheap back then. But here's my honest take as someone who put £100,000, over £100,000 into this stock, okay? When I made that investment, I was betting on Bitcoin. Mara was a leveraged Bitcoin play. You buy Mara, you essentially buy Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, because I believe in Bitcoin, 60,000 now, I think Bitcoin's gonna go up a lot, right? So I think if you invested in Bitcoin now, it would still be a W. This is not financial advice, obviously, but if you invested in Bitcoin now, it would still be a W play. But obviously, the market conditions, blah, 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 Bitcoin ended up going down. This thesis still works, partly. But now Marathon is something different. What they're playing for is something completely different. They're becoming an energy and AI infrastructure company that also mines Bitcoin. So 2-in-1 play. And it's harder to value bet. We don't know what's going to happen. Are they gonna get a big AI deal? They say they are, but we don't know what the caliber of the name is. And that's what actually makes this interesting to me as a trader, because when a company is in transition, when the market doesn't have a clean framework to value it yet, that's where mispricing happens, and that is what's happening in the current company right now. So Morgan Stanley is valuing the company at $7, and that's based on the old Marathon holdings, okay? A pure Bitcoin miner with widening losses and too much debt, and they're not wrong about those risks, okay? But when a company is misvalued, that's when millionaires are made. That's when people make a lot of money. So you don't, even if, let's say you haven't got a high net worth, let's say you're 21 just starting out, you just need one trade to level you up, and then you have capital. And with that capital, you can do a lot of things with it. You can open up a business, you can invest in a camera to document your life, you can day trade, because the more capital that you have, the less stress you have about losing maybe like $10 or $20 or $100 in a trade. Then you can be more risk adverse and you can make more money. And when you are more risk adverse, that's when you jump up the ladders. There's no millionaires, there's no successful people out here that didn't take any risks, whether that's in the financial markets or in businesses. You're never going to get rich having a 9-to-5, and I don't care what anybody says. You can live a very comfortable life, you can pay your mortgage and have fun, but you're never going to be rich, you're never going to be driving a Lamborghini, okay? So listen, you need to understand what you're buying. If you buy Mara today at $14, you're buying a company that is a Bitcoin leverage play, a 1.5 billion bet on AI HPC infrastructure. So know that this is a complex position, but this is a position that can change your life, and big dough. What the Marathon holding bulls are betting for is AI deal to close, Bitcoin to recover, and the AI pivot to work. And this stock could go up a lot. However, if one of these break down, doesn't go through, then the Morgan Stanley $7 target looks the right call. So just keep your eyes peeled on this and let's see what happens. Personally, I'm bullish. I'm very bullish. But here's the thing most people don't understand about trading and about investing. And it's not about finding the right answer. It's about building the framework, knowing what you are looking for, and experience in the market, and that helps you guys make a better decision from the crowd. So I'm going to be helping document everything and put my experience onto you guys, so you guys don't make the same mistakes as me. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. The title of this video, Trump buy Mara, didn't tell me to buy Mara. I've been placed in this because I like to be early. I like to be early on a stock. Once there's noise, like SpaceX, once there's noise in a stock, then it's already too late because the price's movement has moved. But when this gathers noise, I'm gonna be doing a video saying I was already in this, and everyone in my Blueprint Academy was already in this as well. And that's what makes millionaires over time. So guys, lock in, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.